you go.
Yay, yay, yay.
Woohoo! Happy birthday, Ty. Ty, you turned 2 today. Can you say 2? Can you say 2? Ty, you say 2. Nope, too excited. This is what Grandma Kay and Grandpa Harvey got for him for his 2nd birthday. Say see you later. Ty, can you say 2? Alright, guess not. We're gonna have a party today. Gonna have a good time.